Good morning everyone. Today we are going to listen about the duck and the kangaroo glossary and question and answers. All of you open in your textbook page number 18. Glossary. Long, want, wish very much. Hop, move by jumping. Ride, a short journey. The tea and the jelly polly. Wonderful place imaged by the poet. Reflection, thought, careful thought. Bald, frank. Rheumatism, a disease that makes the muscles and joint painful. Next, worsted socks, woolen socks. Web feet, feet that have toes connected by membranes. Cloak, a coat that protects from the cold. A coat that protected from cold as the cloak. Next, here some question and answers there. All of you observe. First question: why did the duck get bored in life? What did it want to do? Why duck feels very bored and what duck wants to do? The duck lived in a nasty pond. Nasty pond. Every time that was lived in a nasty pond. Who lives in nasty pond? Duck. Duck lives in nasty pond. The pond was its whole world. The pond only the whole world of duck. It got bored to have been in that small world. So duck feels very bored to live in that small pond, small world. I wanted to see the places beyond its nasty. So, duck wished to come outside of the pond and wants to visit all the places beyond that nasty pond. So, it wanted to have a ride on the kangaroo's back to see wonderful places in the world. Next, second question. What problem did the kangaroo find with the duck? How was it solved? In this question, how felt the problem with the duck and how it will be solved by them? Answer. The kangaroo felt that giving a ride to the duck was a pleasure. Pleasure means luck. But it felt that the unpleasantly wet and cold web feet might give to rheumatism. Kangaroo felt luck to give ride to the duck, but also it felt wet and cold web feet of the duck. Why? Because the duck always lives in the water. Because of that, the duck feet are wet and cold. So because of that, kangaroo felt it gives rheumatism disease for me. So duck gives the solution. To solve this problem, the duck brought 4 pairs of worsted socks for its web feet neatly. It brought a coat and would smoke a cigar to keep out the cold. Next, third question. Who was happy in the end? Why? At the end of the poem, who was happy? Both the duck and the kangaroo were happy in the end. Both kangaroo and duck both are happy in the end of the poem. Because the duck in the nasty pond had an opportunity to see the world beyond its pond with the help of the kangaroo. So duck happy. Why? Because duck wish come to true. With the help of kangaroo, the duck see all the world beyond its nasty pond. The kangaroo with her loving nature felt that it was pleasure to it giving a ride to the duck. So what's the kangaroo felt? Kangaroo is very good friend. Why? Because it's getting pleasure to give ride to help to his friend. But logically, the duck was happier than the kangaroo, as it was impossible to see the wonderful world without the help of the kangaroo. What is the underlying message in the poem? From this poem, what we learned. The underlying message in the poem, The Duck and the Kangaroo, is universal brotherhood and true friendship. In this, we have to know what is the real friendship and how much we happy with the true friendship. This poem shows the true love of two friends. Here, true love means real love, real friendship between the two friends. In this poem, we have to observe. Here, who are the true friends? The duck and the kangaroo. True friendship help one another. True friends are helps together. The kangaroo in this poem helped the duck to see the world. Helping others gives pleasure. Next, coming to the sea reading poem Little Bobby. In this poem, we can find the little guy, a small boy. That boy name is Bobby. In this poem, we observe he write different letters to get something for his birthday. So let us start the reading of Little Bobby. It is very joyful story. At the end of the story, we get we found it is very interesting story. See all of you in our textbook. Little Bobby came into the kitchen. His mother was making dinner. While his mother was making the dinner, a little Bobby entered into the kitchen. In our daily life, what we observe in the kitchen? Yes, we all observe our mother doing dinner, lunch, preparing food items in the kitchen. So, like that, the boy also entered into the kitchen when his mother doing the dinner. So, his birthday was coming up and he thought this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. So, little boy wants something from his mother. So, he thought it was the right time to ask his mother to give something gift to his birthday for his birthday. So, little Bobby asking his mother, "Mom, I want a bike for my birthday." Little Bobby was a bit of a troublemaker. Troublemaker means a person who often causes trouble. So he directly asked his mother, "I want a bike for my birthday." But little Bobby was a troublemaker. Troublemaker means who gives always troubles, who makes always troubles. How the small children behaves when they want something from their mother, their parents, how they behave. They sit quickly one side of the room, and how they get and how they becomes their wishes to comes into truth. They won't eat anything until what they wants to get. Like that, a little boy asking his mother, he wants a bike, and also he was a troublemaker. He had gotten into trouble at school and at home. So little Bobby makes troubles at school and at home also. Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. Mother asking to Bobby, you deserve to get a bike for his birthday. Your birthday, you deserve to get bike. Mother asking to little Bobby. Here, deserved means qualified to have something. So, mother asking, you have that much of qualification to get a bike for your birthday. Who asking? Mother asking. For whom? Little Bobby. You are deserved for getting the bike for birthday gift. Then little Bobby giving the answer. Little Bobby, of course, thought he did. So yes, I have the qualification to get a birthday gift bike. So he was telling to his mother. So Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect on his behavior over the last year and said, go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year. Then write a letter to God and tell him why you deserve a bike for your birthday. Here, reflect means think. From this, mother wanted to teach little Bobby regarding his behavior over the last year. What she felt about little Bobby, his behavior not much good, and also he was a little troublemaker. Little Bobby was a troublemaker at school and home also. At home also he was a troublemaker. Who felt the mother felt about the little Bobby? So she wanted to a small realization for himself, himself only. So that's why she told to him, go and write a letter to God about yourself only. What is your behavior from the past years to until now since? So Bobby, you go to your room and write letter to God why you deserved a bike for your birthday gift. Give the reason also why you are deserved for bike. Little Bobby stumped up the steps to his room. Jessie, his pet dog, followed him. Bobby thought for some time and sat down God. Jessie sat beside him and started watching what Bobby was doing. So as soon as mother said, okay Bobby, to go to your room and write letter. If you write a letter very much good to God, then God gives to gift bike. Here stumped. Stumped means walked in a noisy way, in an upset mode. We all know about this. We all do this one. When we do anything, if anyone tell to us unliked things, then what we do? We will do stumped. Stumped means walked in a noisy way, in an upset mode. Dog also followed him. What is the name of the dog? Dog name is Jesse. In your textbook, in the picture, you have to observe where the dog sat beside him and watching what he was doing. Bobby was doing. So little Bobby started writing the letter. He wrote the first letter. Number 21, you have to observe. Let us see what is the first letter. Letter 1. He started writing the letters. First see letter 1. All of you see letter 1. Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year and I would like a bike for my birthday. I want a red one. Here he mentioned what he wants. Bike. Which color? He mentioned color also. Specific color, red color. Next, your friend Bobby. About his character also given one conclusion. What is that one? He was very good boy. He was very good boy this year. So your friend Bobby. Letter is over. Bobby knew that this wasn't true. Of course, Bobby written a letter to God. But again, he thinking about the letter. It was true or not? He knows about the letter, his character. It wasn't true. Why? Because he had not been a very good boy this year. So he tore up the letter and started again to write another letter. He tore up that letter and he started again to write another letter. Letter 2. Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. So he felt very closer to the God. So he was telling, Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you. Here he comes to goodbye, only goodbye. He removed very good boy. Only he mentioned good boy. Goodbye here and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you. Your friend Bobby. He mentioned here your friend. Why? Because he felt very close to God. A very close friend to God. So here he written your friend Bobby. Letter 2 over. Bobby knew that this wasn't true either. Again he thinking about this letter. It was true. My behavior will be very good or good. He tore up the letter and started again to write another letter. Why? Because he is a troubled person. He know about himself. Why? Because he was one of the troublemaker. So he torn up the second letter also and he started to write another third letter. First two letters are torn up and he started to write down the another letter, letter 3. So, dear God, I have been an okay boy this year. What is in this letter? He mentioned okay boy. Not much very good, not much good. It is okay boy. That means average boy. Average boy this year. I still would really like a bike for my birthday. Here he doesn't mention your friend. Here only mention Bobby. Though I am not very much a good boy, but still I need red bike. Bobby knew he could not send this letter to God either. So Bobby wrote the fourth letter. Bobby already knew he won't send any letter to God. But why? Because he was writing the letters. His mother said to her to write letter to God. So that's why he was writing the letter. But he could not send the letters to God. Why? Because if any particular address is there for the God? No. So he also know he wasn't sent any letter to God. Bobby write the fourth letter. Finally, he was started to write the fourth letter. These three letters are also torn up by the Bobby. Coming to the letter 4. God. Haven't been a good boy. Finally, he realized. What is that one? He haven't been a good boy this year. I am very sorry. He felt sorry for what I haven't been a good boy. So for that he felt very sorry. I will be a good boy if you just send me A bike for my birthday. Please, thank you. He was doing here business. If you send to me bike, I will a good boy this year. So please send to me one bike. Who asking? Little Bobby asking to God. We also do like this. If you give something, I will give something, like that. We also do like this. Like that, Bobby also asking to the God, if you give to me a bike, I will be a very good boy this year. So please send to me a bike. So even fourth letter will be also over. If you send to me a bike, I will be very good boy in this year, and also next year also I will very behave very good boy. Who asking? Bobby telling to God. So next coming to the Bobby knew, even if it was true, this letter was not going to get him a bike. If all the things what he was written in the letters, he was very good boy, he was good boy, he was okay boy. These all are coming to the true, but not even God not sent to him bike. These all things knew. Who knew? He knew about the Bobby. Bobby knew all these things. Now Bobby was very upset. He wanted downstairs and told to his mom that he wanted to go to church. So finally he thought of sometimes and he wanted to downstairs and told his mother that he wanted to go to church. He came to down and spoke to his mother and tell to her, I wanted to go to church. Bobby's mother thought that her plan had worked as Bobby looked very sad. So this was the plan of the mother. So mother wanted to teach a lesson on his behavior. Whose behavior? Little Bobby behavior. Who wants to teach a lesson? Mother. Little Bobby mother wants to teach a lesson about his behavior. Just be home in time for dinner, Bobby's mother told him. Bobby's mother told to his child, who was that one? Little Bobby. Just be home in time for dinner, Bobby's mother told him. You can go to the church and come back in time to the home. Don't spend much time in the church. Who told? Bobby's mother told to Bobby. Bobby walked down the street to the church on the corner. Little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. As soon as his mother given permission to the little Bobby crossed the road and went into the church. Here altar. Altar is the place where usually taking the prayer. What's that place? All the sacrifice will give at that place by praying the God. After that, he looked around to see if anyone was there. So he was checking around his anyone is there, anyone observing him. When we observe like that, when we are doing any shiny thing or anything we are theft, then we are do like that. So like that, little Bobby also observing his surroundings. So there is nobody is there. Then Bobby bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the mother of God. What he did, he picked up a small statue of Mary. Who was she? He was mother of God. He slipped the statue under his shirt and ran out of the church, down the street, into the house, and up to his room. What he did after taking off statue of Mary, he slipped the statue under his shirt and ran out of the church, down the street, into the house, and up to his room. All of you think which purpose he theft that Mary statue? After coming into the room, he shut the door of his room and with a piece of paper and pen. Bobby began to write his letter to God. Here, slipped the statue under his shirt means he covered the statue with his shirt and ran out of the church and down the street into house and up to his stairs. So after taking a statue on the altar, he didn't stop anywhere. As soon as he came to his home and he entered into his room and he shut down his room door and he taken a pen and paper and he started writing again another letter to God. Coming to the letter number 5. Why he came to the church? Because realization his mother thinking is right. No. Why he came to the church? We know about why he came to the church. Here we are going to the no. What he did? He did pray to the God? No. What he did? He taken a statue of Mary. Who is the Mary? The mother of God. What he did after taking the statue of Mary, he written letter to God. Which purpose he written letter to God? So this is the last letter, fifth letter. A very interesting and very funny what he did. He written in this letter. All of you observe. So by writing this letter, he was giving to the God. So what is in this letter? All of you see. God, I have kidnapped your mom. If you want to see her again, send the bike, Bobby. So all of you observing this. He doesn't mention any dear God and your friend Bobby. All of this not mentioned. Why? Because he are not giving request. He was not doing requesting here. He was giving warning to the God. What he was did in the church. He was theft the. He was kidnapped the mother. Whose mother? God's mother. So he was writing letter now to the God. I have kidnapped your mom. If you want to see her, again send the bike. We also do like that at home. If mom won't give anything to us, what we did, we won't eat anything. If you give that, then only we will eat food. Like that we will give. Like that we will do. Like that Bobby also did what he did. He theft mother of God. Who was that? Mary statue. He knew that the value of the mother. That is that he know without a mother, no boy that much happy or that much good. So that's also he knew. What is that? Mary is Jesus' mother. So if steals mother of God, Mary statue also wants mother again, then he will gives the gift bike definitely. Who thinks like that? Little Bobby thinks like that. When he steals the mother of God, mother definitely God wants to recall the mother. So definitely I will get gift bike. So finally he kidnapped whose mother? God's mother. If you want to see her again, send the bike. Again, finally, until he was a troublemaker of God also. At home, at school. Now, troublemaker to God also. In which form? He theft the statue of Mary, who is Mary, mother of God. So finally, he given warning to the God. If you want to see your mother again, you send to me a bike. In this poem, we have seen a lot of humorous. Finally, this poem written by Richard Howe. Coming to the glossary. First one, troublemaker, a person who often causes trouble. Next, disordered, qualified to have something. Next, reflect, think. Next, stamped, walked in a noisy way in an upset mode. This is about the C reading Little Bobby, and all of you must and should read the textbook and write the HW and CW question and answers from the study material. From for the first A reading the snake and the mirror, and B reading the duck and the kangaroo poem, and C reading Little Bobby question and answers. All of you must and should write in your CW notebook. Glossary also must and should write. Thank you everyone.